Hi all, this is Rahul with you. So welcome to careerprofessionals.com. So today our topic is about graphical user interface using TCL and TK. So I'm waiting for 1 minute more so that other students will come and they will join. Are you getting my voice, Satish? Satish, Vyasha, are you getting my voice?
I'm getting.
So moving on the topic, first we'll see what exactly the graphical user interface is. So what is GUI? So GUI is nothing but which allows user to interact with electronic device like computer or handheld device like MP3s or portable media players, etc. So it offers icons and visual indicator. Like if you will see, like if you will think before 20 years when there was no Windows, maybe there was no Windows 7 or Windows versions was not there. So at that time we were using MS-DOS. In MS-DOS we were writing for every interaction or interactions we were using command. So the advantage of GUI is that it offers icons and visual indicators like maybe label or it may be like command levels or text navigation to completely represent the information. So it will be very easier for the user to interact with the hardware. Instead of writing command, we can use all the indicators. Fine. So today I will tell you how we can program all the indicators by the TCL. Okay. So before starting the program, I will tell what is a GUI layout. So whenever you are opening painting or maybe Notepad or maybe Adobe Photoshop, there might maybe you have seen that many icons will be there like paint or for drawing, for everything there will be icon. That exactly called GUI. Okay, so this is one example of this Microsoft Paint is an example of GUI layout. As many of you know, it is a very friendly user interface which allows the user to interact with the software more easily. Okay, so we can move on, or if you have any question then you can ask. Malika, Satish, Vyasa Maharaji. So if you have any doubt then you can ask me. I guess this is okay with you everybody. Yes. So now moving on, we will see how the programs can be written for the GUI. So first we will see how to create the buttons and labels. And if you are a VLSI engineer, so mainly it will use full. It is useful for the like if you want to make the EDA tools like Cadence or Mentor Graphics, then how that particular EDA tools are working. So whenever you are drawing something, whenever you are simulating something, or when you are drawing something, then everything is coming on your screen. How it's coming? Because of all commands. Okay. So first we will see the buttons and labels. How to create the buttons and labels in TCL and TK. So before going to the programs, I suggest you to download the software called Wish86. So when you will download TCL, automatically the Wish86 will come. TCL SH86 is nothing but only the TCL program will work, but Wish86 where both TCL and TK will work. So today we are going to learn both TCL and TK. Fine. So let's start to write the programs. So Vyasa Maharasi have one doubt from where you can download. Okay, fine. So before writing the program, I suggest you to open the website activestates.com. Please enter ActiveStates on the Google. Vyasa, are you getting me? Yes, Vyasa, you can speak. Yes, Vyasa, are you getting my voice? Hello?
Yeah, are you getting me now?
Yeah, I'm getting your voice. So tell me, what is the doubt?
Tell the website.
So I should spell, right? Okay. It.
Just write in the website. Hello.
Okay, note it down.
Write on the notepad.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm writing on notepad. Fine. Yes, enter this on the Google. Within a moment you can download it. .com.
Hello. Hello.
Tell me, Vyasa.
I'm not getting any display.
See guys, this is a site. Click on active TCL. From that you can download. Do first. See, download now option is there here. From there you can download. Yes, Vyasa, you get it?
Yeah. Yeah, already.
So move on to our program. So now I am going to tell how to create the buttons and labels. So first of all I want to create the buttons and label for counting the number. This is called button. Click me is button, and this is a label. It's called label. Fine. This is a label and this is a button. So how to create this? So whenever I will click it will count the numbers. So how I should do it? I will tell you. Fine. So first I will initialize the counter as 0. Then I will put the command name as a label. For creating the label, the command name is label dot lab. You can put anything there. See what I am doing here. First I am taking command name as a label and I am putting any variable name as dot lab so that I can call that afterwards. And I want to write there something. Okay. I want to write this is a label dot dollar counter, this is a label. So for that you have to put dash text variable, that is command name, and text variable is a variable name. Okay, again, and dash text is again one command name. So if you want to write any text on that variable, then you have to put bar text. Okay, and if you want to name the variable, then you have to put dash text variable, that is command. Okay, dash text variable is a command, dash text is a command, and label is a command. Fine. And I want to text, means on the label it should come this is a label. Okay. Afterwards want to create button. Okay, so how I am creating button here? See, button is a command name and dot but is a any variable you can take from because I want to call afterwards, right? So that's why I put here dot but afterwards I am putting dash text variable, that is command name for variable, and text variable 2 is a variable name, anything you can put there, fine, and the dash text is your command, fine, and you want to print there or you want to write there click me, fine. Afterwards I want to call the procedure, fine. I will tell you how we are calling and how this program is going on, everything I will tell you, because this is the out of the procedure. First I will create the procedure now. Okay, this should be written out of the procedure, out of the function, fine. So it will the work of the dash command is it will call the clicks counter procedure or maybe function. Procedures in TCL, function is in C or C++, fine. So I guess this is okay with everybody. I guess this is okay with everybody. So if you have any doubt, that you can ask now. Till this, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So fine, I think this is okay with you. So now I will create procedure. Okay, so this should be written after the procedure function, right? So now I will create the procedure. How to create the procedure already I told in the module 3. So let's create the procedure. So clicks underscore counter will be a procedure name, fine, because see here I am calling click counter here. So procedure name is click counter. what I am doing here, first I name procedure as clicks counter. Afterwards, I am writing here global counter because I am calling the counter here. Already I put set counter here 0, set counter will be 0, so I should call, okay, because these things all are the out of the function, out of the procedure command, so I have to call them. For that I am using global. Fine. So global counter and global text variable. So this thing I am calling here. Again I am calling text variable 2 on the second line, global text variable 2. Afterwards I am writing if $counter not equal to 5, then increment the counter value will be increased, and set text variable as, see this is a text variable, okay. So current counter is equal to $counter. So if the $counter will be 1, value will be 1, then your answer will be 1, this is a label. Then if counter value will be 2, here you will get 2, this is a label. So afterwards you will understand all these things. First see the program. Set text variable, then you have to put set text variable 2. Fine, this is the program. So what I am doing here, first I put for click me, whatever the value will be, the counter value will be there, I have to multiply with 2, and I should put on the particular label, maybe button, okay. Till this, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Satish Kumar, Vyasha, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me now. So I guess this is okay with everybody. Yes, Vyasa, tell me what is your doubt?
Can you explain again, sir?
Which one?
I understood
I am not getting your voice.
understood the concept, sir. You were telling the variable global, not the global texture and
Can you please?
logic,
I am not getting your voice.
how this logic works. If
Yeah, I am telling
counter
you.
not
Yeah, I am telling you how this logic works. I am telling you. See, after this you have to save. then you should run it on wish86. So I should remove this. Fine, see here what I got. This is a level, was my level, and click me was a button. So if I will click this button, see here current count will be 1 and click me will be 2, because what I done here on the program I wrote expression $counter into 2. So $counter is 1 now. 1 into 2 will give 2 here. Okay. So again if I click, then it will show 4. Again 6. So up to 5 it will show. Afterwards again it will be 0. Else I written on the program else set counter -1, so that again it will start from 1. Fine. So Satish Kumar has some doubt. Okay. Vyasa, tell me what is the doubt?
The logic to
Yeah, what?
the logic for making a GUI,
Tell me exactly where you are not understanding.
right? Made it only the logic for counting and
Okay, fine. See. Okay. This was my program. Fine. First I wrote these things which should be out of the function. Okay. So first I want to create level. Okay. Level means nothing but this one. Level means nothing but where current count is equal to 1 is coming, that is called level. Okay. And afterwards I create button from which you can click and you can get the answer. See, click me is coming, that is called button. Fine. So here all these things I given, what should be written on the label and what should be written on the button, first I given there, and afterwards I am writing procedure command. Okay. Procedure is nothing but function in C. Okay. And in TCL we call procedure, and I am creating the procedure name as clicks underscore counter. This is a procedure name. You can put anything there. Okay. And afterwards I am calling that this counter inside the procedure. I am calling the counter, and I am calling text variable, and I am also calling text variable 2. Okay, then only these things will function, right? Because after if whatever I will write, how this procedure will understand where the particular things are. So if $counter is not equal to 5, means till 5 the counter will increase. Afterwards the set counter will be decreased by -1. Fine. So after increase, as the value the value will increase. Okay, then the text variable means what? Level will be current count will be $counter. Fine. Means listen, $counter means what? First the value will be 1. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Here it will come 1, this is a label, 2, this is a label, 3, this is a label, up to 5 this is label will come. Okay, up to 5 it will come. The current count is equal to 5 it will come. Okay, afterwards see for the button. In button what is going on? It's multiplying by 2. As the counter will be increasing, the value will be simultaneously multiplied by 2. If the counter value will be 1, then the click me value will be 2. If the counter value will be 2, then the click me value will be 4. Okay, so nothing but I am calling all these things. Okay, see what I am writing here again. See on the button here I am doing clicks counter. Why I am writing this? Because I am calling that, because after increment of first number again it should go to the procedure. Again it should go to the procedure, and all these things again it should be followed. Okay, after completing up to again it should be go to the procedure. That's why I am calling this clicks counter here by writing the command dash command. Dash command is the command name for calling that particular procedure or function. So Yash, tell me if you have any doubt that I clear.
Thank you.
Is it okay with you, Yash?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me now. Any silly doubt also, if you have, then please ask me.
No, I'm not having.
Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Satish, are you getting this? Satish, are you getting this? Yes, fine. So we'll move on. How to make entry panel. Like entry panel means like if you want to enter anything on the particular windows. Okay, so how to create the entry panel. Okay, Satish, you can't able to speak. So now you can speak, Satish. If you have any doubt, then please ask me. Or comment it here. I will answer it. Okay, fine. So next move on to how to create the entry. Fine. Okay, same. So how to make the entry comment? First I want to create one label. So for creating the label I have to use label comment dot anything, you can put dot lab or something else, but you have to call afterwards that thing. Okay, dot lab text variable text label, or you can write any variable name here. Okay, Satish Kumar have one question. Can I write directly in the wish window? No, you can't write directly in the wish window, because see here, this is a console window where you have to bring that file source. You have to bring that file from other source. Okay. Fine. So text table is the variable name. I am putting text as a 0. Okay. And I want to make entry comment, entry GUI. Fine. The GUI should be, I will show you what is the particular comment called entry. Entry.ent. It's not compulsory that to put ent or something. You can put anything, but this comment should be written. Label entry is very important. That is command name. Fine. Then also I want to create a button. Where the ad should be written. So when you will click it, the ad should come there. And now I want to call one procedure. Already I told you how to call. Okay, fine. First I written label comment here. Okay, and I keep the variable name as text label, and I want to print that 0. First of all I want to print that 0, and another comment name is entry, where I want the width of some number, maybe I'm writing here 15. the width size should be 15. Okay, so if you want to write something like this is a command for writing the width or something, like if you want to change the color also you can write color, or I'm writing for the width here, so dash width, fine. So again I create button here. For button I have to add text there, that is that the text will be add. Okay, and again I am calling add up. Add up means procedure name, so next I am going to write the procedure. And what is the meaning of this pack dot ent? Last time I didn't written that. Okay, so listen, if you will not write this, okay, if you are not going to write this, then the particular sequence won't come. Okay, so if you want entry first, label second, and button third, sequence will be like that. If you will not write this, sequence won't come. Okay, like automatically it will anything will come there on the window. If you want on the sequence, if you want label first, then you can write your label, no problem. Okay, but you have to call that again, dot lab for label, and dot ent for entry, and dot but for button. Okay, so all these things should be outside of the procedure. So again I have to write procedure comment. So here I put add underscore up. This is my procedure name. That's why I'm calling here add up, right? So add up will be a procedure name, and then afterwards you should call everything global text label, global text entry. Okay, then set text label expression So what I am doing here, first I call text label, then I call text entry, then I should get on the label, like if I will enter any number on the text entry, the number should be added with text label. If I will put 1, okay, and text label will be 0 initially, so 1 plus 0 will give 1. Then afterwards text label value will be 1, right? And if I am putting on the text entry 2, then 2 plus 1 will give 3. So see here, see the practical demonstration here. First I should save this. Okay, see here what's going on. So if I will enter 1 here, the value will be 1. If I will add enter 2 here, then 2 plus 1 will give 3. Anything you can enter here. If I will put 100 here, then it will give 103. So what's going on? The first value is increment by 1. That's for increment with 0. Whatever I enter initially, if I will put 0 there, then 0 plus 1 0 plus 0 will give 0. And if I am putting 1 there, then 1 plus 0 will give 1. Again it will call that particular. Why I am putting, see here, why I am putting add up here? Because after completion of first one, again you should call, right? Again if I press the button continuously, again you should call that particular procedure, then only it will function. There's a thing going on here. So till this, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Vyasha, Satish, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Are you getting me, Vyasha?
Rahul, yeah. I had doubt. How to arrange the GS? Suppose multiple GS are there.
If multiple,
GIs.
okay.
Multiple GS in a single page. Okay. How to arrange in according to proper order?
Yeah.
Wanted order.
This is the thing, no? I wrote here pack.lab.ent.but.
Okay.
See,
So there.
Yeah, tell me.
There you have to arrange in order.
Yeah, this is the way to arrange on the windows. See, if I am putting dot ent first here, then what will come? See, ent and dot lab and save it.
Rahul, I have another doubt.
Get it?
Yeah, it's clear. I have another doubt.
Yeah.
How to create a select label?
How to create?
Select label. Suppose there is a 4 options. I want to.
Yeah, multiple options.
And
I will tell you that afterwards. Okay, that will be the next session for you. That I will tell everything. I will tell you. Okay. For that different class will be taken. I am going in sequence. Okay. I will tell you everything.
okay.
So next topic is how to create frame. Okay, I'll tell you how to create the frame. If you have the if you are going to make a website of some EDA tools or something, so if you want to make one game where you want the frame, then how to make that particular frame. So I will tell you. Maybe if you want to make Sudoku game on the Windows, okay, online game for the Sudoku, and so there the frame is must necessary. First you have to create the frame, then under the frame all the boxes will be there. So let's see how to create the frame. Let's see how to create the frame. So the command name of frame is frame dot. You can write anything afterwards. Okay. The background color should be yellow. Okay, I am like let us assume that the background color should be yellow. You can think you can assume anything like yellow, green, anything. I am taking yellow here. So from that you have to put one command background. So the background color will come as yellow or maybe any color. Yellow. Then the border width should be 5. Let us assume I am taking border width as a 5. You can take anything. For that you have to write command name as border width. Okay. Again I want to create one label here. On the frame, let us think I want to write my name, where the computer will ask you enter the name. So how to create that particular label, enter name? So by using the command name label, enter name. The space should come where you will enter the name. Entry should come there. So that's why I am taking entry command here. .ent. Then I'll put pack dot lab. See what I am doing here. Why I am using dash in there? Because see this dot lab should come inside the frame. Okay, in frame. It should come in frame. For that you have one command dash in. Okay. Again use pack dot ent. Again that entry should come inside the frame. So again I should call dot frm. Inside the frm only ent should come. Dot ent should come. That's why I'm putting frm here. Again and at last I am putting pack dot frm. Pack dot frame. Fine. Save it. And run it on Wish and see what's going on. Open the Wish 86. Take the source file. Invalid command name entry.ent. Fine. So we have to see the error here. Okay, fine. So after entry you have to put gap. Okay, save it. Fine, it came. So what's going on here? You can enter any name here. Okay. So again, what is the use of this? Everything I will tell you on the next session. First, I am telling you here how to create the frame, and inside the frame how to put the labels and the buttons. Label, buttons, anything you can put on the inside the frame. If you want to, one second. So if you want to increase the border size, then here you can change the size also. Border width I given 5 here. You can give 30 or maybe 70 something. Okay. So save it again. Take the source file. See here. Okay. So border size has been increased to 70, and you can do anything. Okay. So maybe if you are logging on the Facebook and they are asking the username or maybe the password, these things are going. Okay. They are creating the labels and buttons. If you are using TCL, then you should create the button and the labels and all with these methods, with these comments. So you should remember the comments. Comments names are very important. If you forget it, then you can't. Okay. So till this, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. The time is not there. So I think it is okay with everybody. So if it is okay, then I will wrap the session for the day. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a nice day.